Welcome back, Renike Estate. So it's been 10 days since the last time we worked. Christmas, New Year's, parties, family members visiting family members, wife doing shopping for a whole day. A whole day, anyway. So we are back, finally. We're gonna break this thing down today. It's still partly cloudy, rain later, but we can't stop, we have to carry on. Simple as that. So we're gonna break this down and then we're gonna clear the whole fence. Well, most of the fence. So our targets today is this high. Hopefully we do this, but not the point. So yeah, enough talking. Sorry guys, I got a whole zoo here, like 3 cats and dogs and stuff that's all visiting. Anyway, let's do this thing. I'm sorry for the barking. When the neighbors leave, they just bark the whole day, so I can't wait for them to stop. So we've cleared out most of the palisades. You'll see that on the side there. There's some palisades that's still not completed. Those ones are supporting the bougainvillea and another bush on that side. Right here, but you know what I mean. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll add a quick shot of where we actually took off. When it's here, doesn't look like much, but when you break it all down and it's laying on the floor, it's a pretty pile there. Alright, so the number one thing was done. Next thing, start clearing the fence. Let's go. Just to show you what's happening. So this is still part of the grapes, and this is a fig tree. Now I love figs, but we have about 10 of these trees on the property and they're all the same species, so yeah, but I will not be getting rid of it. However, because this thing is hanging all over on the neighbor's side and covered with overgrowth, I'm gonna have to cut it short. So we'll be cutting it somewhere over here and then just pull it. I've already cut it loose off the fence. I've already cut it loose over the fence. So it's just a question of cutting, dropping it, dragging it away. Once we're done with this one, then we'll go to the next fig tree and the next fig tree. And I think then we would be done with what we wanted to do today. So we're not gonna clear the ground. We'll take one day, I don't know, get help, maybe not, and just rip out all the roots so we don't have the stuff growing back again, and they grow back, trust me. So let's carry on. We are officially done for today. As you can see, the grapes is dripping a lot of fluid. Maybe it was the wrong time of the year to cut it. I couldn't wait for it to be ready, unfortunately. I feel confident it's going to survive, but anyway. So we have our brand new lemon tree we discovered. We have the fig tree at the back there. We have the grapes. Hopefully they survive. Another fig tree, and an orange tree. So the fence still has a lot of climbers on, and the climbers have absolutely destroyed the electrical fence. You can see the wires are hanging, but that will be fixed anytime soon. And then to your left, you'll see the bougainvillea that needs to be sorted. And then there's more trellis that needs to be broken down. So this one runs that way and further that side. So you can see we have to take all of this off to clear the trellis out as well. And it's a lot more dense, But I'll see if I can't put a small clip on just to show you guys quickly how it looks. But anyway, for now, that's it, guys. Thank you for joining us, and then we'll see you again.